Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Archives. Let us look at learning problem number 2 for this chapter, force vectors. So this question says, express the force as a Cartesian vector. So in order to express this force as a Cartesian vector, we will have to go through the regular process that we discussed in the previous question. And that process is to first find the length vector r, then use that to find the unit vector, and then use that to find the force vector F. Okay, so let's get started. Let's first find the length vector r from A to B, or AB. So in order to find the length vector r, its component in the x direction is 4 meters towards the negative x direction, as the vector starts at this point on the x-axis and it moves towards the negative x-axis until for 4 meters. So its length is 4 meters in the x direction, but it's towards the negative x direction, so there is going to be a negative sign. For the y-axis, the vector starts from here and moves for 7 meters, so we have plus 7j. And lastly, for the z-axis, the vector moves from here downwards. Sorry about that. It moves downwards 4 meters. So this component is also going to be negative. So negative 4k. Now that we have our length vector from A to B, we can convert this into a unit vector, and to do that we need to find the magnitude of this vector. So the magnitude of the length vector RAB would be equal to under root square of all the components, the sum of square of all the components squared, 16 plus 42 plus 16 plus 49 plus 16, and this gives us 181, which is 9 meters. So now that we have the magnitude of this length vector, we can use that to find the unit vector from A to B. So divide the length vector AB by its magnitude to get the unit vector, and when we do that, we get negative 4 by 9 I plus 7 by 9j minus 4 by 9k, and this is going to be our length vector, our unit vector from A to B. Now remember that a unit vector always has the magnitude of 1. So if you use the resultant vector formula on this, and if you find the magnitude of this unit vector, you're going to end up with 1. Okay, let's move forward. Now that we have our unit vector, we can find the force vector by multiplying the magnitude of the force by the unit vector. So the magnitude of the force is 900. So the force vector AB is going to be 900 multiplied by the unit vector. And once we solve this, we get negative 400I plus 700J minus 400K. And this is our force vector from A to B. So this was the simple and easy procedure for this question. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.